Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I So guys, my baby did not allow me finish my intro and everything. So hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and of course we bring another day in the life of this busy mom of four. And yeah, I will be showing you guys everything. This is a vlog, of course, you already know that. So I am trying to get them breakfast because as you can see, she was not patient and she was not having it at all. So I decided to make them breakfast and then clean up the kitchen first before we proceed to today's vlog. So welcome to my channel. I do everything lifestyle, motherhood, vlogs, cleaning and organization, because of course I just have to do that. And yeah, I also have some me time kind of vlogs I'll be putting out in here, and beauty, a little bit of beauty, just a little bit, just because your girl loves to look good. And of course I am a makeup artist and a hairstylist, so it all comes together, right? So yeah, welcome. And if you are interested in all of these things, then this is the right place for you. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, so I'm done making them food. I'm trying to clean up the dishes, wash the dishes before we start anything. And this little lady I can't believe she's already one and she's already walking around the whole house and just giving me stress. But I'm just so, I don't know how I feel, but like my last baby is one and she's already all grown and she can now tell you no, no, no. So while trying to do all of these things as a busy mommy, I'm always busy. I'm here trying to also make lunch so that when my girls come back from school, they don't have to wait for food or anything. Food will be ready for everybody. So I am making Nigerian jollof rice. If you don't know, yes, I am Nigerian living in the United States. So yeah, I'm making some Nigerian jollof rice, and I will be grilling some nice chicken. If you want to see, of course I'll be showing you guys a little like the process, the cooking and everything. But if you guys want like a detailed videos of, like, if you guys want some food content videos, just let me know. I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. So, and also you can follow me on Instagram at Ada Obajaka, and yes, that's where I'm very active, more active on Instagram. So you guys get to see more food content, more breakfast ideas, and lunch kits, lunchbox, food lunchbox ideas, and all of that. So you guys get to see more of that. So yeah, and I'm actually eating here and cooking, so my food is like right there, and I am eating, taking scoops and cooking the rice because I don't want to be late for pickup. So I want the food to be ready before pickup, and that's why I'm kind of like eating and just, I mean, this is like real life. Okay, this is real life right here. You just, sometimes we just don't have the time or the luxury of time to just sit down and eat like that. So you can see me scooping and doing this as well. So this is my jollof sauce, and I just added more onion powder, garlic powder, more curry, and a little bit of paprika, just to give it more color. And then some nut powder, like it's now is like a chicken flavored powder. So adding that and adding a little bit of water, and then now I am adding my washed rice. I already parboiled the rice and washed it, so now I am adding my parboiled rice, and I'm going to mix everything and cover with the foil, and then reduce my what's it called, my stove, like to the lowest I can, and reduce it, because what I need to cook my rice is it has to be like on a very low heat, and I just need the more like the steam to get my rice done. That's just all I need. So yeah, adding a little bit water. You just don't have like to add a whole lot of water, just a little bit. And I have this nice recipe, like a very good, I think I make the best party jollof rice. Let me tell you guys, I make the best party jollof rice. You hear me? Yes, I do. So now I'm trying to sort out my little lady right here. Oh, I think she's done eating. So I brought her down so that she can keep opening the cupboard. She just keeps opening the whole place. Like, I don't know what she's looking for, but I keep chasing her all over the house. So yeah, they are done, and dinner, lunch is almost ready as well. So now it's time to pick up the house and just get sweep there. I just don't like my house being messy. If I leave my house or if it's messy and I just decide to ignore it, then know that I'm about to film like a clean with me video. That's the only reason why you will see me leave my house and not bother cleaning it even when I see it messy. But apart from that, if I'm not ready to film any clean with me video, then no, I'm going to go ahead and clean up. I pick up every night. So I'm just wiping down the table, cleaning up, just getting things in place. That's what I'm basically doing. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and please, if you have not already, subscribe and join the family. I promise you're going to love it here, okay? And then don't forget to share this video, like this video, as that helps my channel, and it's all free, okay? So smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, share, and just keep watching, okay? Finish everything, watch everything. So I really appreciate you guys that have been on here supporting me and just doing all of everything. Like, I'm just so grateful to have you guys, even when I've been taking all my breaks, all my little breaks here and there, but you guys are still here. So now it's time for the chicken. So I'm doing this full chicken thighs. So I added in some, I already washed my chicken. I had to zoom in on this place. The reason why it's not like, so I had to kind of like zoom in. I realized I was a little bit far, like the camera was a little bit far from me, so I had to like zoom in. But I just added my paprika, garlic powder, my nut powder, and cayenne pepper. I use either cayenne pepper or what is it called, chili pepper or what. So I just mixed that up, and oh, I think this is my turkey. I think I did two. I think I did the turkey and the chicken. I can't remember honestly. So this is the turkey, I'm very sure. So I popped that in my cast iron pan and popped that in the oven. So that kind of like, you know, saves me some time and stress. So that works. And as soon as I'm done, as you can see, I'm cleaning up immediately. Yeah, that's how I do. I clean up immediately after cooking or while I'm cooking. Like, I just don't like dishes in the sink. I just don't like messy. That's just me. I like keeping it clean, okay? So yeah, that's me washing off just the things that I use right now. So I just don't like a whole lot of mess. And I know some people are like that too. Let me know in the comment section if do you clean up immediately after cooking, or before, you know, or you leave it like maybe for later or for the next day or anything. Let me know in the comment section. For me, I just like wiping down immediately, cleaning up immediately. You can see me wiping down and cleaning up immediately. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and clean out the living room and just make the house clean. The girls are still in school, so I just have these two here. So the girls are still in school, so while they're there, I just have to clean up and just clean out the house. And let me show you guys quickly what I got from the Amazon store, and we'll continue this video. All right. So you guys, I got this thing from Amazon. I plan on putting some of my kind of like, you know, like crop tops and all of those kind of things in there. I don't know how I feel, but it looks strong, kind of. Hi, Mama. So we're going to be arranging my closet a little bit with this. JJ, Mama, leave that place. But they are big enough. That's the good thing about it. So it's big enough. I also got this hand soap. This is so amazing, you guys. Like this right here, let me show you. This will wash your hands. So if you're taking your kids to the playground or anywhere outside where you know that you don't have soap or anything, this is a perfect bag. I bought a box of it, so you can just always have this in your car or in your bag or everywhere. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront, and this is amazing. I'm going to show you guys like when we go out to the park or somewhere. I'm going to show you guys how this works. This is amazing. I got the whole pack, so it just comes in different colors, and then you just and this is the second. I did an Amazon haul. You guys didn't see that video before this one, but this is the second crib sheet that I got. My hands are so ashy because I've been washing my hands while cooking. This is I got them some white for the girls. So guys, look at my baby girls. They are back from school, and oh, I think Tiffany has already gone inside. Tiffany is like the grumpy one. She's always grumpy whenever she gets back from school. She's always the grumpy one. So they are back, and I am going to, of course, try to finish cleaning up. Look at my baby. Of course, whenever she comes back, she's always telling me everything that happened in school, and she's my kind of like my little chatterbox. She's always having something to say, having something to do. So I'm done arranging this house and doing some things. Let me show you guys quickly. So let me show you guys.
You have a lunch number. I got my gas
So let me show you guys. Okay, you guys, I got this in the mail. Okay. This is ponytail. thing. This one I did not buy. This is like a PR package. Here and here. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys when I use it. Probably. I mean, I think if it's nice, it came with this cute thing, and I like it. And it came with this pin as well, this bobby pins. It came with the hairband thing, and it also came with this one. So let's see. So let's see if it's something that I like. Okay, how does this work? So let me see.
Mommy, this here is moving.
Okay. I mean, it's nice, but I feel like it's going to tangle up quickly. I mean, of course, it's synthetic. I feel like it's going to tangle up. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These are the containers that I got from Amazon. I've already shown you guys, and I'm going to be using them to organize and do a whole lot of things. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that already. Don't forget to like this video and share. When is this? So you guys, my kids are having their dinner right now, and they'll be going to bed soon. They're supposed to be in bed by 8, and it's like 7:11 or something. So they are going to be going to bed by 8 p.m. So they are eating their dinner so they can go take a bath and go to bed. That's it. I'll be ending this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and invite your family members to come subscribe to my channel and join my little family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.